Korea gi Chatnabi Amadi Lon Asi Manipuri Lon Amadi Chatnabi gi Yamna Manei HAINA Manipur University gi Department of Foreign Language ke Korean Language ke Visiting Assistant Professor Dr. Park Min Jae-na TOMTV da PHONGDORAKLI Korean Lon ke alphabet oriba Hangul Sem Khibage Nomit Ningsing duna Rangtagi Hauduna Manipur University ge Department of Foreign Languages ke Korean Language Department Sinduna Chatharakiba Phangasuba Hangul Day Celebration ge Ngasigi Ariba Numita University Asigi Auditorium ke Mamangda Stall Kaya Hangduna Korean Food Festival, Korean Costume Wearing Amadi, Korean Traditional Games and Chungba Pangthuke, Loinana Auditorium Aduda Korean Cultural Program, Manipuri Cultural Program Amadi, K-pop Dance Amadi, Song Competition and Chungba Pangthuke, Hangul Day Celebration Aduka Mari Lainana, Manipur University Gate Department of Foreign Language K, Korean Language K Visiting Assistant Professor, Dr. Park Min Jae-na Hai, Hangul Day Celebration Asi Korean K, Hangul Haiba Alphabet Sem Kiba Nobet October Mapan Asin Ningsing Duna Chahi Kudingi, Hangul Day Haina Pangtukpani. Hangul Hairiba Korea gi Alphabet Ase Malem na Khwaidagi Masak Thokpa Alphabet Singi Manungda Amani, Korean Lon gi Mayak Asika, Manipuri Lon ka Manaba Kaya Lay. Manaba Kaya Layba Asina Manipur gi Mahairoi Singna Korea gi Lon Ase, Tambada Arubu Oidoi Haina Mahana Makataki.
Related with the Hangul, I want to say Meitei Lon is really similar with the Korean. All the system, consonant system almost similar. One sound is only different. I was really surprised when I was in Delhi. Compared with the Hindi, Hindi and Korean is quite different, but sentence structure similar. But in consonant, in Meitei consonant, Korean consonant, almost same. We have 19 consonant, you have 18 consonant. Ch and ch, that sound only you don't distinguish. Otherwise, exactly the same. Also, you have the Apun system also. That one also we have similar. And then you Lonsum also you have. We also have. So that is very unique. So sometimes I think that Korean and the Meitei Lon is somewhat too much similar. So it is good chance to Manipuri students to learn Korean because similarities a lot.
Korean traditional game hapaga koi masen hana try to zabane dedi interesting oiba de lon khaktang natana culture gi matang da su thaina de gi moi gi sana keno traditional game akoi ga manaba su yawi suma matang da su satra singda khangan ma matam moi interest to tungda research ro bugi matang da su krai area da to biyai anuna henna keno nganangi seminar da haije gi ba me amdu da Lon sigi through that akoi connection nama semba hai do sumaina torga sembagi pandamna sumaina handati mayam da open to zabane treat
MU the China Hangul gi kind of festivals my to is a yam the nungai pawi adu hoji Korean gi kind of traditional yam trend su oi nei da ko adu na sit pa phangwa ga yam harao be ai ta
kari lege bo language culture ji culture gi ba sak oi mo gi sari ba thai ba seli ba dress puna ba chingje kamai tawi ga da angang ji da khangan ba adu ga hoji ki foreign language tam ba ji language skill leina lon ji ama ka dang khang ga ya da ba khoi ji music ji da Lon ani ahum mari Lon je he khang ye mi ba gi cognitive power ji khan ba wakhan kham chang ji he le